Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful blend of the very creative and unique designs of hand embroidery, specifically designed for neckline embroidery. But the scope is not only limited to this. With the very beautiful designs of neckline, you are going to get creative and beautiful design ideas of sleeves embroidery, border embroidery, and daman embroidery also. The beauty and creativity is that you can use for different type of perspectives, that is for using or designing or creating your sari blouse, any type of boatneck kurti, and more beautifully you can create your everyday dresses like for college going, university going, office going, any type of formal outing or gathering. To enhance the beauty and creativity, you can use sequins, beads, and pearls. And guys, you can also use these flowers, the whole flower used in the neckline embroidery, for making the simplest all over embroidery spray to give your dress a more fancy look. Also, for making your dresses more formal, you can use embroidery thread as silky thread like vico or other type of silky threads that would absolutely give you formal touch. If you want to keep it matte, then you must use anchor or DMC as a thread. If you want to give your embroidery or hand art a look of 3D creativity, then you must use wool for embroidering these patterns. For making the dresses more formal, you can also use the fabric base more formal, like you can use corduroy, you can use velvet, you can use crinkle, or you can also use silk or raw silk for making them more party wear stylish types. For more creative content and new upcoming ideas, do stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave comments below my video that which design you like the most and why.